So if you will observe this level, we were talking, this is the head, that this head will give me the first 5 rows. So you can see this. Now what I want to do, I want to separate this level from this all these columns. So first I will save it inside somewhere else. So I am saving this in this level thing at some variable L, or you can see the value, it is from 11046 total. Fine. These are definitely, it will belongs to 0 to till 9. Now I will, what I will do, I will drop this column, this level column. I will drop this level column. So how will I drop this level column? There's a way to drop this. These, if I will write d0 dot drop, and thereafter I will select here level label, and I have to mention the axis. So what is this axis? Axis is equal to 1. So this is, this row is called 0 axis and this column is called 1 axis. So I want to drop this column, so I have to give the axis is equal to 1. And which column I want to drop? I want to drop this level column. So if I will simply run this code, I will be getting a new data set where you will not find level because level is dropped. Now I can save this inside some other variable. Let's save this inside D. Fine. After that, if let's say I want to see the shape of D. So what I will do, I will do D dot SHAP is shape. So this will give me the shape of D dot shape. Let's run this. So can you see I am getting 42,000 rows and 784 columns. Earlier we are having 785. If you see here, we are having 785 columns. Since I have dropped this column level, so now I am having only 784 columns. Now there is a very, this is the last thing that I would like to show you. Now if I want to see any one of, because this is my 784 dimension, and let's say if I want to see the image of any one of the things, so what is this? If you see, this is my PLT. PLT is from Matplotlib coming. This is a figure size I am giving. And this is an IDX. IDX means index value. So at that index, what is the, this is my grid data. This is ID log. This is index.numpy. This is reshape. I am reshaping it to 28 into 28 pixels. Reshape from, I mean 1D to 2D pixel arrays. Now, this I am so grid data and I am using this interpolation is equal to none, and CMap is gray. CMap is equal to, basically it gives the color. And this PLT will show you the image. And which image I want? I want the image which is at this index IDX is equal to 180. If I simply run this, you can see I am getting this 9. So at this index, this is my image that is present inside this data. If I will change this value, let's say if I will write 100, what I will get? Again, I am getting something like 9. Now let's change it to something 240. Here I am having something like 3. Can you see? Let's change it to 1 and see what I am having. I am having something called 0. That is, at the first place we are having, at the first index we are having. Let's change it to something else. Let's change it to, we have 42,000, 4,200. Let's see what I am getting. I'm getting 7. At this 4200 index or this row data point, I'm having this value of my image. There 42,000. Let's look at 42,000. See what I'm getting. I am getting some 200. So 40,000. Okay. So if I will look at 41,000, let me see what I am getting. I am getting this thing. 2. So let's say 41,999. Let's look at the so at this point I am having this image. So have you understood what I have done? So this is a small visual representations that I wanted to give you, that I've imported these things. Then I've read the data. Then this is the data. Then I read the first 5 rows. Then I have dropped the level from here. And thereafter what I have done, thereafter I want to know the shape of my dropped data set. And thereafter I have displayed or plot my number that I want to, this is a pixel representation. I want from 141,999 is my last point, because total here in this train data set 42,000 rows is there, and it is, since it is starting from 0, so total number of rows is from 0 till 41,991. So if I will give any one of this index value, or you can say row value, I will get at particular data point what is my image. Correct? So I can use this to see the image. This is the simple code that we are using here. Correct? So this is all that I wanted to discuss with you. Now in the next session, we will be actually studying PCA, and thereafter we will be studying t-SNE. Hope this session is good for you and hope you understand this well. So then we will meet in the